What's wrong with these tomatoes?
I didn't get one.
I see.
Okay. Oh, these are happy. Hi, peas. All right, just gotta get a little bit of this. A little curry we have here. It's gonna be so good in the soup.
It's a fresh curry for the soup.
Yeah. Sounds like heaven. All right, let's do this. Go make some pumpkin soup. Excited?
I am excited. This pumpkin soup is amazing.
I don't really know the music yet. Hi, and welcome to Down to Earth Kitchen. Today we are making one of my favorite soups ever. This is from my mom. It's her curry pumpkin soup. We have it every year for Thanksgiving and then all throughout fall and winter. It is such a delicious one and it's so easy. All right, let's get started with the overview of our ingredients. And do you see this beautiful pumpkin display we have for you? My husband, Dave, did this today. I love it. So we're getting ready to decorate for fall here. We're getting super excited for the season. So let's review our ingredients. I'm actually doubling the recipe for my family that's on our website. So if you go to laurenlees.com, the website is on there, but I'm doing a doubled version. So for the normal version, you're gonna do 1 small onion minced. You're gonna do 2 to 4 cloves of garlic, also minced. 1 3/4 cup pumpkin. And you're gonna do 3 cups of chicken broth, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of curry, 1/2 teaspoon of crushed red pepper. And I'm just adding for fun today, I actually have a little curry from the garden and a little bit of lovage. So I am going to add those, but feel free to add any herbs. And then you're going to need some half and half. And I think that is it. So here we go. All right, we are gonna put a couple tablespoons of olive oil into a pot on the stove, and we're gonna do that baby on medium to high heat and get it going. And then we're gonna put our onions in and our garlic. All right, should we get this going here? Get our onions in here. Okay. Olive oil. This is a really, really quick and easy soup. I mean, it's honestly probably 20 minutes to get it going. Maybe a little more, depending on if you're doubling or not. It's easy and it's such a crowd pleaser. I love this one. All right, I'm gonna go with, let's see, I'm gonna do about 4 cloves of garlic because I'm doubling it. That'd be 2 for you. 2 or 3 cloves. I'd say. All right, done. All right, so we're gonna let that go. Mix that all together. Keep that baby going. Keeping lots of olive oil. You can do butter as well. I'm doing olive oil today, but maybe I will do a little bit of butter. Oh yeah. Oh, hello, butter. This soup is so creamy and rich and warm and cozy. Oh, you know what? Got my tea here. Maybe I'll put a little of the half and half in there. I love my dandelion tea. I'll enjoy this while we wait. All right, now that my onions and my garlic are tender, I'm gonna pour in chicken broth. So this is 3 cups if you're being normal, 6 if you're not. All right, so I'm gonna let that chicken broth come to a boil and then we're gonna let it simmer for about 15 minutes. While I'm waiting for the broth to boil, I'm just gonna finely chop my herbs. This is my beautiful little curry plant. All right, and then I've got my lovage as well. All right, I'm getting that broth to boil. I'm gonna get my spices going in there. Such a pretty color. It's getting pumpkin-y. Really, you're supposed to put that in when you have the onions, but it should be fine. But it is nice when you can get the onions and the garlic all with your spices. I'm gonna drop in just a pinch of that lovage. Lovage has a serious kind of sharp kick to it, kind of bitter. It's really good. All right, here I thought I had all this time. Let me get this curry in there too. Okay, not gonna use all of it. Use a little of this on the top for garnish. Okay, and this we'll set aside for later. All right, bringing this bad boy to a boil, and then we're just gonna let it simmer. And I'm gonna drink tea. I'm gonna give it like a minute, and then I'm gonna put my pumpkin in. All right, now I'm gonna take our pumpkin puree and I'm gonna put that into our zuppa. Oh my gosh. Heaven, 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 heaven. Okay. At this stage, I'm working the pumpkin puree into the soup. And just gonna make sure it's all mixed up. All right, so now we're gonna salt the soup. You could have salted it at the onion point. My broth is pretty salty, so I kind of wanted to see what happened once the broth and the pumpkin got mixed in there. But take a little tasty taste.
When you say you could have salted it at the onion point, is that your way of telling us you forgot to salt it at the onion point?
No.
Okay.
You think you're so funny, David Lees.
No one makes me laugh like me.
I know, it's true. All right, next step is to put our half and half into the soup and make sure it does not boil because you don't want the milk, the half and half, to curdle. So I'm gonna put this down a little bit lower and let's get that half and half in there. Just gonna want to stir it in, and that color is so pretty. Look at all that pretty color. I love that. Now it's starting to look like my mom's soup. All right, I think this is about ready for the blender. All right, I am using an immersion blender given to me by my mom because she knows of my love for creamy soups. And you can use an immersion blender or a regular blender. I'm gonna go immersion today and hope it don't splatter all over me because it's not a super chunky soup and the immersion can handle it. All right, here we go, folks. That's a party. And you're just making sure that there are no chunks in the soup. You want it very, very creamy. No more minced onions or garlic left. Now at this point, depending upon the desired consistency that you're looking for, you could add a little bit more broth. You can't really take it away. I'm now wishing that I put just a little bit less broth in there or a little more pumpkin. But it tastes good, so I don't know how strong the wishes. All right, serve it up. And we got these cute little pumpkins to serve the soup in. So I'm excited about that. They're so cute. All right, let me get my board and we're gonna ladle the soup in the cute pumpkins. Oh, it's so cute. How cute that is. It's not a perfect pour on my end. We're getting our friend the paper towel here. All right, and then we're just gonna shake what we have left of our heavy cream over the top. Ooh, cute. Cute, cute, cute. And then we're gonna go back and we're gonna put our tiny little bit of lovage and curry on top. A little bit of curry, a little bit of lovage, a little bit of curry. All right, it's tasting time. Look how adorable this is. Cannot even handle it. It's so cute. how cute this is. This would be really fun for like an outdoor kind of fall garden party because you could just walk around with your little pumpkin, feeling special. I'm gonna try this. It's so good. It's so good. Yay. Oh my gosh, I love it. I definitely made it spicier. It's so creamy, it's so rich. It's so weird to me that a soup can taste this complex and rich and creamy with so little effort. Just those herbs, those spices. Incredible, beautiful, beautiful soup. You guys, I highly encourage you to make this one. It's such a crowd pleaser. Our kids love it. Everyone loves it at Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh. Okay, Dave, you wanna taste?
No, I do.
Cheers. It's awesome, right? You love it?
A little kick at the end.
That's what I'm saying.
So good.
I know. I think it's that. I think the extra kick at the end is a little bit of lovage, and I did do extra crushed red peppers. It could just be that. So good, right, babe? This is so nice, isn't it? Such a nice soup.
I don't know. On a cold fall day.
Yes, love it.
Babe.
Oh my gosh. All right, guys, thanks for joining us today here at Down to Earth Kitchen. We hope you had fun. If you liked what you saw today, please be sure to hit like and subscribe. We have so many more fun recipes coming for you. I always say that, coming for you. Or, I don't know, being prepared for you. I'm not sure. They're coming for you, so I'm coming for you. Have a good one. Thanks. Now it's starting to look like my mom's soup.
Do you need to say any magic words at this point?
Would you like me to say some magic words?
Definitely.
Hocus pocus, out of the focus. Come, little children, I'll take you away into my garden of magic. Come, little children, the time come to play. Is that what
We've got our hook, thank you.
No, I love that song actually. It's a great song. Come, little children, I'll take you away.
Love that song for warding off children from our home.
Well, Hocus Pocus, it's a classic.